Hi guys, this is Fresh Kitty. Today we're eating starch and pepper soup. Let's go.
Calm down.
I've been wasting my time, spending my life searching for something I wasn't ready to find. I wasn't ready to find. And I've been spinning my wheels, searching for something